Hello everyone, nice to see you there, nice to have you there, and as always the reason why you subscribe is that we on a daily basis cover what's going on the cryptocurrency space, keep you updated, informed, and today we have really good news for you, so watch to the end. And I hope you really enjoy. So, the first news is fresh Bitcoin ETFs holds back. Bitcoin Swift rally above $40,000. Also, we're gonna talking about Ethereum approach $3K resistance as Bitcoin price rebounds toward 40K. Also, it's interesting that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says proposed crypto tax rule makes no sense, and we are gonna review that, and we going to discuss it. Why is that so? Is it really? And what we can do about it? Also, we're gonna speaking about French fund manager launches euro-regulated ETFs that tracks Bitcoin price. So let's get started. Watch to the end because it's most interesting there. Well, so crypto investors are seeing gains in Ether and Bitcoin on August 5 after the successful launch of Ethereum's London hard fork and a series of new Bitcoin exchange-traded fund filings, resulting in a rally that propelled Bitcoin's price 9% higher and caused Ether to gain almost 12%, which pushed the altcoin closer to the elusive 3,000 level. Well, so how we can see that Bitcoin 4 chart and recent comments from United States Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler about the viability of a Bitcoin ETF were followed by several new ETF applications being filed on August 5, and investors are hopeful that the chance of approval has increased. So here we can see the top-bottom models for Bitcoin, so Glassnode, and it's interesting what it says that, in my opinion, this would be a K level, $54,000 and rising. To watch for confirmation rejection 23 and 13 and 2017 reaction. So the overall cryptocurrency market cap now stands at 1.662 trillion and Bitcoin's dominance rate is 45.6%. Well, so let's talking now about Ethereum. So here we can see the chart of Ethereum, 1 hour chart. So here also we have the quote of however didn't crack and flip the resistance at 28.15, 29.25 yet. That's required to flip in order to continue toward all-time highs. Meanwhile, some of the capital that drove the Bitcoin move to $42,000 last week is now flowing into some altcoins. So Bitcoin plays catch up. The largest cryptocurrency had dipped to 37 earlier Tuesday, having previously failed to clinch $40,000 even briefly overnight. So it will be interesting, and as you may know, guys, I think that in the future, Ethereum's have really big and huge opportunities to reach the price of Bitcoin, and I think that Bitcoin can have many projects, basics of its technology. So let me know, please, what are you thinking, and let's discuss in. Please leave comment in the comment section below and drop like button. Consider to subscribe, share with your friends, and let's review what Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says. And basically it says that, referring to the broad broker definition in the bill, smart contracts, for instance, are not companies and cannot be modified to collect KYC info or issue 1099. They are simply software running on the blockchain that anyone can use. So Armstrong called on US crypto proponents to get behind amendments proposed by pro-cryptocurrency senators such as Ron Wyden, Patrick Toomey, and Cynthia Lummis, calling for a narrower definition of crypto intermediaries. Before proposing the amendment, Senator Toomey had earlier called for miners and software developers to be exempted from the crypto tax reporting requirements specified in the bill. Armstrong also joined the chorus of crypto proponents, urging Americans to contact their elected representatives to push for the aforementioned amendments. Well, so let's talk about French fund manager launching euro-regulated ETF that tracks Bitcoin price. And guys, if you really enjoy us, if you wanted to have more videos like this one, please consider to subscribe, drop a like button. Thank you so much. So, by investing in equities replicating the Bitcoin performance, investors can achieve diversified asset allocation that was not available before. Given Bitcoin's absence of correlation to traditional assets and the ETFs with its character, allocators should certainly be interesting. So, Melanchthon Bitcoin Exposure Index, tracked by Melanion's ETF. In order of weighting, these are currently Marathon Patent, Riot Blockchain, Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Hood H Mining, other equities from segments such as crypto banking services and crypto asset management and trading include Arcan Crypto, AB MicroStrategy, and Future FinTech. So, Melanion CEO Judd Comer has told reporters that getting the fund approved by France's authority, the Smart Financiers, was a real challenge because of the sensibilities and politics currently surrounding Bitcoin and Bitcoin investing. As previously reported, there is no shortage of Bitcoin exchange-traded products listed in Europe, yet none of these have been UCITS compliant. So, Paris-based derivatives fund manager has launched a new European Union regulated fund that aims to track the price of Bitcoin at a correlation of up to 19%. The fund is the first of its kind to be issued under the investment fund umbrella UCITS, and acronym for Undertakings for the Collective Investment in Transferable Securities. According to the European Commission's data, UCITS compliant funds account for roughly 75% of all collective investment by small investors in Europe. UCITS provides a framework for regulation at the European rather than national level and places exacting demands on fund managers. So this is, guys, really interesting, and we obviously will be watching for it and keep you updated if you consider to subscribe, if you still not subscribed. So drop a like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's discuss on it, because it's really interesting.